You're in college, money's always tight, and it feels like every dollar disappears the second you get it. Between textbooks, late-night pizza runs, and all those surprise expenses, it's like your wallet is always empty. You're working hard just to keep up, but somehow it never feels enough. That constant stress. Yeah, we've all been there. Most students face this exact same problem. It's not just you, it's a reality for millions of college students across the US. Trying to balance school, maybe a part-time job, and still being broke is tough. And knowing you're not alone can make it a little easier to breathe. Balancing lectures, assignments, exams, and maybe a part-time shift at the coffee shop, it's a lot. Sometimes it feels like you're running a marathon with no finish line in sight. You work hard, yet the money just slips through your fingers, and that constant hustle can feel draining. But here's the good news: you don't have to stay stuck in that cycle. You can take control of your money, and it doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right steps, you can start to feel less stressed and more confident. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. What if I told you that being broke in college doesn't have to be permanent? Hey, I'm Sam, and welcome to Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tip that could change your wallet. This is for education only, not financial advice. Today, we'll break down real, simple steps. Think of it like building a money toolkit. By the end, you'll feel less stressed and more in control. Let's dive in. In this video, broken college, here's how you can fix that. Let's go. Let's talk about all shifting your money mindset. Being broke doesn't mean you're doomed forever, it just means you're in a temporary season. Think of it like a flat tire. It slows you down. But your whole car isn't broken. You can fix it and keep moving forward. You're not bad with money. That's just a story you've been telling yourself. What you really need isn't shame, it's better directions. Like a clear map that helps you get where you want to go. Once you know the path, everything starts making more sense. Think of money like a journey instead of a trap. Just because the road is bumpy now doesn't mean the whole trip will be rough. Every step you take, learning, saving, planning, moves you closer to your destination. Your story isn't stuck. It's still being written. So remember, being broke in college isn't forever, it's just one chapter. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn this story around. Your financial future doesn't have to be scary. It can be an adventure worth taking. And it all starts with you deciding to keep moving forward. Now we talk about all knowing where your money goes. Think of it like trying to lose weight. You can't really know if you're making progress unless you step on the scale. The same goes for your money. If you don't track it, it just slips away. Awareness is the first step to control. For just 1 week, write down every single dollar you spend. Yes, even the coffee, the vending machine snack, and that late-night pizza. You'll be surprised how small things add up faster than you think. Seeing it all written down opens your eyes. Once you track it, patterns start to show. You realize maybe too much is going to eating out, or maybe subscriptions you don't even use anymore. That knowledge gives you the power to make changes. You can't change what you don't see. To make it even clearer, put it into a pie chart. Suddenly you see how big a slice rent takes, how much is food, and how small fun really is. It's like seeing the treasure map of your money. With that picture, you know exactly where to start cutting back. College can feel like you're always broke, but the truth is, your money just needs direction. Think of it like having a map. You wouldn't go on a big adventure without one, right? Budgeting is that map guiding every dollar so it doesn't disappear. Without it, you're just wandering and hoping for the best. Picture your money as a pizza. If you eat half in one sitting, you'll regret it later when you're hungry again. The same happens with spending too much at once. It feels good now but painful later. The trick is to slice it wisely so it lasts. The simple rule is this: split it into needs, wants, and savings. Needs are your rent, food, and things you can't live without. Wants are for fun, like hanging out or grabbing that extra coffee. And savings, that's your future. You'll thank yourself later. When you budget this way, you're not just surviving college, you're in control. You don't have to feel broke all the time because you know exactly where your money goes. That control is powerful and freeing. It's like turning stress into adventure. Next step is cut cost without killing fun. Think of your wallet like a backpack. When it's stuffed with too many unnecessary things, it feels heavy, and you can't enjoy the journey. But when you lighten the load with smart choices, suddenly, the trip feels easier and way more fun. One easy way to save is by splitting streaming services with your roommates. Instead of everyone paying full price, you share the cost and still enjoy the same shows and movies. It's like teamwork for your wallet, and everyone wins. Small changes like this add up quickly. Cooking at home is another game changer. Eating out all the time drains your wallet fast. But making meals yourself is cheaper and often healthier. Plus, cooking with friends can turn into a fun adventure. It's not just about saving, it's about making memories too. Don't forget student discounts, they're everywhere if you look, from movie tickets to software. Those small price cuts keep your backpack lighter. Using them isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Every dollar saved gives you more room to enjoy college life without stress. Being broke in college can feel like a never-ending struggle, but you actually have more opportunities to earn than you think. Imagine your schedule like a game of Tetris. You just need to fit the right pieces in the right gaps. With the right mindset, even small chunks of free time can turn into real income. The trick is learning how to balance study, work, and rest without crashing the whole game. One of the easiest ways to earn is tutoring. If you're good at math, writing, or even explaining complex ideas in simple words, other students will happily pay for your help. Tutoring not only gives you money, but also sharpens your own understanding. It's like getting paid to study twice. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, or coding, freelancing is your hidden treasure chest. The internet gives you access to clients all over the world. You can work on projects from your dorm and get paid in real cash. Think of it as turning your laptop into an adventure portal that connects you with opportunities everywhere. Campus jobs and side gigs can also be game changers. Whether it's working at the library, helping with events, or doing delivery runs, these little things add up fast. Each small gig is like a block falling perfectly into your Tetris schedule. By stacking enough of them, you can build a stable foundation of income while still focusing on your studies. Starting an emergency fund is like carrying an umbrella. Most days, you won't need it, but when life suddenly rains on you, you'll be so glad it's there. Think of it as your first layer of protection against surprise expenses. It doesn't have to be big. At the start, just something to keep you safe. Even setting aside just $10 or $20 a week can make a big difference. Over time, those small amounts add up more than you'd expect. It's like planting seeds that slowly grow into a sturdy tree. What looks small today can become your safety net tomorrow. Imagine your jar filling up drop by drop, like rainwater collecting in a bucket. At first, it doesn't seem like much, but before you know it, you've built a real cushion. That cushion is what helps you breathe easier during tough times. It's your backup when life throws surprises your way. Your emergency fund is more than just money, it's peace of mind. It lets you focus on school, friends, and opportunities without constant stress. Think of it as a shield you carry with you, always ready when you need it. Building it is one of the smartest moves you can make in college. College feels like spring training. You practice, you prepare, and you build habits. But the real season starts after graduation, when your money choices shape your future. What you do now sets the stage for your first job, your first apartment, even your first car. Think of today as the practice that makes tomorrow smoother. Start with the basics. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It follows you everywhere, from renting an apartment to getting a car loan. Learning how it works now can save you from headaches later. Think of it as a secret weapon for adulting. Student loans can feel like a giant mountain to climb, but planning early, knowing your repayment options, makes that climb easier. You don't have to carry the whole weight at once. Step by step, you can reach the top. And finally, investing, it doesn't have to be complicated. Even small amounts now can grow over time, like planting seeds in a garden. You don't need to be an expert, just consistent. Think of it as setting up your future self for success. We talked about shifting your mindset, tracking money, budgeting, spending smarter, boosting income, building a cushion, and preparing for life after college. Being broke in college is a season, not your life sentence. With small, steady steps, you'll gain control. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs it. Drop in the comments, what's your biggest money struggle in college? Let's talk. I'm Sam, and this is Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. You got this. Your future self will thank you. See you next time.